Did you know you can earn thousands of dollars in ad revenue, just like the Little Baby Bum channel, by creating simple kids' song videos? That's right. Channels like this make over millions of dollars a month with animated nursery rhymes that children love to watch on repeat. And the best part? You don't need to show your face, sing, or even touch a camera. Using completely free AI tools, you can create high-quality children's song videos in minutes. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step using the example of a fun, educational kids song called Jungle Jam. First, head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me fun and educational song topics for kids." Pick one you love. I chose Jungle Jam, a playful song where jungle animals play music and kids learn animal names and rhythms. Then, ask ChatGPT to write full lyrics for the song with a chorus and 3 verses. Next, take those lyrics to Suno. In text box, paste the lyrics, type your song style prompt, or choose on the tags and hit generate. In seconds, you'll fully produced kids song. Download it. Now it's time to create visuals. Head to Leonardo AI, log in, and ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for each part of the song. For example, medium shot of the lion mid-drum beat. See the full prompt below. Paste each prompt into Leonardo. Choose the Phoenix 1.0 model and generate images in 16:9 ratio. Download them all. Then, use Design to animate those images. Just sign in, click New Project, choose 16:9 ratio. Go to AI Video, upload each one, add short scene descriptions. Pick your video model and click Generate. Design brings your scenes to life automatically. Download the animations and finally, stitch everything together using CapCut, beginner-friendly video editor. Import your animated clips and MP3 file into a new project. Drag them onto the timeline, align them with your lyrics, and use CapCut's auto captions to generate on-screen lyrics. Add fun transitions, stickers, and effects for extra engagement. Once everything's polished, export your video in 4K resolution. And just like that, you've created your very own animated children's video, Jungle Jam, without needing to sing, animate, or film anything yourself. Upload it to YouTube, grow your channel, and start earning, just like the pros. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your next video idea. All links are in the description. Happy jamming! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.